Make one comment here to tell you, the man Peter you are supporting, who is he? Peter is a young man. I met him for the first time when he was governor of Anambra State. I was traveling from Abuja to Owerri in Aero Contractors Airline. I didn't get a first-class seat, so I had economy seat. Peter had a first-class seat. Peter came to me and said he was surrendering his seat for me. I refused, because he's a governor and I'm an ordinary person. I haven't seen a governor surrendering his seat for an ordinary person. He said, I'm an elder. Do you know there was a lot of argument? Every passenger said, please, go, go. So do you know, I took over the seat and Peter sat on the economy. Some years, when I was 75 years, many years back, Southeast governors organized a national birthday party for me. They contributed money. They appreciated my contributions to Southeast and Nigeria. Now, my wife died. My wife died that year, so I didn't continue with that arrangement. Do you know that Peter was the chairman of Governors Forum? And Peter, all the money they collected, I saw Peter pay it into my account. Peter paid the whole money into my account. I'm only telling you this so that you know the man you're supporting is a very good man. Some of you don't know his character. There was also the case of Jerome Udoji. Jerome Udoji was the leader, the first Secretary General of Endorsed and also former Secretary to Eastern Nigerian government. When he died, I was led to the funeral, so I had no seat. He was sitting in front row, so there was no seat for me. They put me at the back. Peter came and took me to the seat where he was sitting. I protested, but he insisted I should be there. They brought another seat and squeezed him in. So this is